Hey everybody, it's John from Seattle Coffee Gear. I am here with a new machine from Rocket Espresso. It looks like something you have seen before, but it is a little bit different. We're doing a premiere of it today. This is the timer version of the Rocket Boxer. We're really excited for this machine coming out because this has these timers on it, which is functionality that you don't often get at a machine in this class. It's going to be launching this year at the Coffee Expo in Boston. If you want to come check it out, it's going to be at the Rocket Espresso booth. That's booth 991. Really excited for this. All the same great features that we love about the Boxer, like the cool touch wands, the temperature controlled water for hot water, the volumetrics and easy service, but just a little bit of added functionality with these timers. Really excited again for this updated model. Hope you guys can come out and check it out. Thanks so much for watching.